Yo, what's up everyone? It's Steven from Drexlers back with another YouTube video. I'm gonna try to make it, sweet, simple, and short. Just want to give you guys an update on all the new inventory we've been getting in. We're gonna start with the dunks first. I kind of laid them out. We're gonna give you some detailed up-close pictures. And yeah, so let's get into it. So first, I want to start with the dunks that are in the more affordable price range. These are going to be like $250 and under. And the first one we got here is the Team Red. It's the classic dunk silhouette. Most everyone's familiar with the Panda lows, and all these are going to be really similar shape. You got the two-tone colorway. And the main difference is just going to be these colors here that Nike keeps switching out. It's a great shoe. This new dunk low pretty much goes with everything. There's a reason why it's so popular and doing so well, because it's easy to fit up with pretty much anything. So first we're going to start with the Team Red. As you guys know, everything we do here is new. You don't have to worry about lightly worn or any of that BS. It's all new. So yeah, first we got here is the Team Red. Another one in that affordable $250 under price range is going to be the Chicago NBA. Again, classic silhouette. It's got the NBA logo up front here. Chicago colorways. Still that classic, or not classic, that new dunk low shape. And then another one that we got just coming in still is the Midas. It's been around for I think 5 or 6 months now. That UNLV colorway, again, two-tone classic. This one's going to definitely be in the $250 and under price range. Next up, we got the UNC's been out for nearly almost 2 years now. Classic UNC North Carolina blue, classic Jordan, two-tone colorway. This one's getting a little bit harder to find because the unworn quantity is getting down there. So this one's getting, going up in the price range, and definitely one that if you don't have yet or thinking about copping, definitely get now, because the price is only going to start going up from there. Then we got obviously the Panda Low. I think it's the most sold shoe in Nike history at this point. Definitely the most sold dunk of all time. The classic, black and white colorway. Most people are probably on their second or third pairs by now. Yeah, let's go on to the next one. Next one we got here is the Georgetown. That dark blue with the darker shade of gray. Full size run. Try to keep full size run. These do sell out fast. Another classic one. It's gonna be the same shoe, which is nice because you don't have to worry about different sizing. All of these are gonna fit exactly the same. Other than the some of the SB tongues, you're gonna get that little more pressure right there. But yeah, this is the Georgetown. The Archeo Pink, men's and women's sizes. Does come with the white laces. Is that I don't know what you call it, that magenta pink. We sell just as many of these to males as we do females. Pink and purple are definitely a color that Nike's definitely starting to push a lot harder. Great shoe. Then we got the classic gray fog, just as classic as the Panda's gonna be. The gray and white goes with everything. You might have seen this one in our last video. Again, we try to keep it fully stocked up. Then we got some SBs, we got the ACG Caledon, or Caledon, I might be saying it wrong. Great shoe. You gotta love the ACG colorways. You got the splattered midsole. You got that SB tongue. Also comes with the laces to match the swoosh. It's just a great shoe. The suede they used on this, awesome. The olive laces, definitely fire. And then again, we have, the Atmos elephant print with the Tiffany swoosh, SB, black and gray laces. This is a re-release. This is the 2020 version. Definitely got that, Atmos Air Max vibes going on. This one we try to keep as many sizes as we can get. Obviously, a little hard to get. We'll list the sizes right here. And next, we're getting the Union Dunks in now. So yeah, we're gonna go over those now. Up next, we have the Nike Union LA Dunk collab that dropped over the past couple months. It's 3 shoes. We now have almost all sizes, 8 to about 11, even the half sizes and all 3 colorways. We are trying to get the bigger sizes too, but first we wanted to focus on, the most common sizes. Up first, we got the Passport. This is the one that dropped the month before the other 2. You got the dark blue here. Also, Nike included, you can tear away the string, the thread here if you want to, give it a different look or just do something different with the shoes. Definitely has a lot of character. All the Union Nike collabs are just straight fire. There hasn't been one yet that I don't like. Some of them when they come out, like the 4s and some of the colorways, I was a little at first, but then once you see them in hand, they're just beautiful. So we got, the Passport colorway here, and we'll be posting all sizes we have in inventory here. The second colorway we have is the Argon, which is the more, light baby blue color, with the ice blue sole, same silhouette, same threading, the way they did that here. Just beautiful colorway. And then you have, the dark navy. Extra strings, icy bottom. Shout out to Kobe. We got the court purple here, Lakers colorway with the white and purple strings. We're gonna list the sizes here. Again, dead stock, brand new in the box. And yeah, I just wanted to show you these because, we just started over the past week getting these in, most all sizes. And we're gonna keep it that way. Every time we sell a pair, we're just gonna order another one to keep them stocked up for you guys. Okay, we're back with another, rare shoe unboxing here. I wanna first show you the box. Mint condition. Classic Jordan 6 box. Got the Orient PE on the side. When you open it up here, there's a little message for Tinker Hatfield here, who designed the Jordan 6. Just a little shout out to the team and whatnot. This player exclusive was released in, was given to the players in 2018. It was given out to only football players and staff of the team. So very limited quantities. It's got the upper black suede. Then it hits you with that electro green. Got the O in the back here. The green on the tongue. Beautiful shoe. O on the side here, which it also is like 3M, so if you do take a picture with the flash, that will light up. The bottom here, you got more electro green. Just very, very beautiful shoe. Obviously, you gotta take extremely good care of this suede when you store it, because this will rub very easily. And yeah, now I'm gonna give you some more just up close and product shots of this shoe. If you have any questions, definitely hit us up on Instagram, shop Drexlers. This is a size 11, it is for sale. If you're interested in purchasing, definitely hit us up. And hopefully you like the video, we'll be trying to get better every time, and definitely tell us what you guys think in the comments.